Hi, I'm Chef D, and today it's all about Bothwell cheese. Won't you join me for this simple, easy recipe? Bothwell spicy and smoky Monterey Jack cheese. We're gonna make a cucumber, pear, and red onion salad. So you're gonna get the sweet, savory, and a little bit of the spicy. So let's get started. So I've julienned up some peppers and some cucumbers. So we're gonna start off with the cucumbers and then just take these beautiful, amazing hothouse peppers that we've been getting. Again, nice little julienne. Add some beautiful color to it. Then take a little bit of our red onion and our pears. Move aside, we're just gonna take a couple sprigs of cilantro. Now you can rip them or you can cut them wherever you wanna go with this. Cilantro around. Then the beautiful spicy and smoky Monterey Jack Bothwell cheese. Again, we're gonna do it in julienne. Place some pieces around. Juice of 1 lime. Drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. And you have a great fall salad that's gonna be savory, a little bit sweet, and finish with a great bit of spice. So good. For this recipe and many more videos, go to bothwellcheese.com.